washed my hands in muddy water. I washed my hands so that it didn't come clean, and I tried to do what my daddy told me, but I must wash my hands in a muddy stream. Well, I asked the jailer, now when's my time's up? And he says, son, you know we won't forget. Now if you try just to keep your hands clean, we might just make a good man of you, Jed. Well, I couldn't wait to get my times up, and I broke out of Nashville, yeah. It just crossed the state line of Georgia. Well, I can hear those bloodhounds on my trail, and I washed my hands in muddy water.